Well, today, the Kern County District Attorney's Office denounced a Superior Court judge as biased. District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer said going forward, she will try to prevent criminal cases from being heard by Judge Michael E. Delestrito. This after he struck firearms enhancements charges in the sentencing of a man who shot another in East Bakersfield. Isaiah Marshall was convicted of shooting and seriously wounding a man on November 15th of last year at the Smart and Final on Mount Vernon Avenue. Marshall could have received 32 years to life in prison, but upon striking the enhancements, Delestrito gave him a prison term of 18 years and 6 months. In a news release, Zimmer said the judge's refusal to impose the appropriate sentence is an insult to the victims.